We have been living this traumatic pandemic for more than a year now, and we have been through a lot lockdowns, quarantines, positives, negatives, medications, and more of that. Moreover, it's just a virus, not a bacteria. But we adapted ourselves to these kind of stuffs faster, even though we can't stop what started like lightning. This video is about COVID 19 and to prevent yourself from that infectious disease. Most infected people may recover themselves until they have a strong immunity and proper health, but not all, so be prepared. Most common symptoms: fever, dry coughs, tiredness. Less common symptoms: aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, headache, loss of taste or smell, or rash on skin, or discoloration of fingers or toes. Serious symptoms: difficulty breathing or shortness of breathing, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. Seek immediate medical attention if you have serious symptoms. Always call before visiting your doctor or health facility. People with mild symptoms who are otherwise healthy should manage their symptoms at home. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it might take up to 14 days. People should get to know about the stuffs they are going to use or intake. Will these vaccines actually prevent COVID? That's questionable because COVID keeps on spreading and keeps on mutating. That's a big problem here. A few months ago, we all heard a news that hydrochlorine can prevent us from being infected or from death because of COVID. It did eventually for a couple of months. Then the virus got mutated and is spreading like anything. Now WHO, or in other words World Health Organization, states that hydroxychloroquine or chloroquine, a common treatment for malaria and certain autoimmune diseases, has been studied as preventive treatment for COVID-19. Evidence from these studies shows that hydroxychloroquine has little to no impact on illness, hospitalization, or death. Also, micronutrients such as vitamin D or C and zinc are critical for a well-functioning immune system and plays a vital role in promoting health and nutritional well-being. There is currently no guidance on the use of micronutrient supplements as a treatment of COVID-19. Report says every time they test or use a vaccine, it mutates 26 times. We can't be sure that the vaccine can help us. The Covaxin is to cure an infected, but what if it couldn't? Vaccines work according to its level. Meanwhile, virus fights back with a vaccine component to protect itself. To be honest, we all want to be safe, so do the virus. Moreover, I have an assumption. What if the virus can find our weakness and use it as a weapon to fight the vaccine injected in an infected body? If it does, your allergic food and other things that cause ill to your body could help the virus to use it as a weapon. They say you should inject 2 doses of COVID vaccine to kill or to get cured. Note, we can't be sure, so make sure that you intake proper food before injecting Covaxin. And of course, hear out for the doctors or physicians, whomever is vaccinating you. Tips to be cautious. The COVID-19 virus does not transmit to water while swimming. However, the virus spreads between people when someone has close contact with an infected person. Avoid crowded gathering and wet places which virus is more active. Wear masks wherever and whenever you go out, and remember, you should not wear masks when exercising, as masks may reduce the ability to breathe comfortably. Sweats can make the mask become wet more quickly, which makes it difficult to breathe and promotes the growth of microorganisms. The important preventive measures during exercise is to maintain physical distance of at least 1 meter from others. And there, keep yourself up to date to look on new rules and regulations, do's and don'ts. I guess you know the virus has mutated a lot of times. When the virus was first found, it was just Wuhan virus from China. Now it has various names such as Brazil variant, UK variant, South African variant. So it just keeps on mutating. To prevent yourself from the virus, all you have to do is just wear a mask, use sanitizers, and maintain social distancing. And I guess everyone want to go back to their normal life as they were before 2020. Just 3 simple steps, so you can of course go back to your normal life. So what's your opinion to stop this virus from spreading other than lockdowns? Leave in the comments.